Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm having so much fun organizing our garage. Started with the closet door shelves and our scrap wood storage. Going to keep going and move all of these pieces of wood back into the yard. There's a big one just sitting in the middle of the garage, and we have another small pile over there. This will be our pieces of tree storage for now. We used to have an easy up tent, but that blew away during one of the storms. Hopefully this will keep it covered a little bit, still have ventilation, and if it does blow away, not too much money lost. Let's head back into the garage and keep organizing. I just finished washing our storage containers using mostly the rainwater we were collecting, trying not to waste any water. Going to wait for all the lids and containers to dry so we could start organizing that mess over there. Up top, we have everything for car washing, camping gear in the middle with more car stuff, oil changes. I threw away some of the old paint cans that weren't looking too good. The corner we freed up over here is for newspaper storage when we get back into sheet mulching, whenever that happens. I added some more to the wood scrap pile. Finally figured out what I wanted to put up here. We have more smaller pieces of the rain gutter that I need to finish working on. The last corner we freed up is where the dolly and ladder will permanently live for now. As you all know, this is always changing and evolving. Excited to see where we end up next year. Video 146 done.